Hello students, how are you? Today I teach you definition of accounting. Definition of accounting. And this definition is useful to all these commerce students. So whatever the level there is, that means they may be 11th class students, they belong to intermediate or belong to BCom or MCom or any professional exam. This definition is very useful to them. I will explain you definition of accounting. The American Institute of Certified Public Accountants defined as. So this definition is given by the American Institute Certified Public Accountants. What they define? The art of recording, that is the first, that means the given definition is I make it some parts. That first part is in definition is the art of recording. So art of recording. Recording is an art. Recording is an art. That means whenever we journalize entry, we study the principles. So what principles we apply? No doubt accountancy principles, but that applying principles is an art. That's why here that recording is art. Classifying means after journalizing entry, at the same time that journalized entry is transferred to ledgers. That is called classifying. And summarizing. Summary means the bulky data is composed to small, that is a brief. That brief is called summarizing. In accounting, summarizing means journalizing entry, then afterwards transferred to ledger. Ledgers are, all the ledgers are closed, and then balance is transferred to trial balance. That balance transferred to trial balance, that is called a summary. That is called a summary. So that's why it is said the art of recording, classifying and summarizing in a significant manner. In a significant manner. In a significant manner means applying principles, journalizing, posted to ledgers. Ledgers are balanced and transferred to trial balance. It is a significant manner. It is nothing but a significant manner. In terms of money transactions and events, that means that transaction is condition is it must be business transaction and it is a money transaction. So only money transactions are recorded. Other than money transactions are not recorded, which in part at least of a financial character. That means that money transaction must be supported by the financial character. Financial character. Financial character means no doubt money is exchanged in the business, but that business may not be financial business. So how it is? I give explanation. That explanation is, it is an art of recording means applying principles while journalizing. So it is art. Second one is classifying means after journalizing they posted to ledgers and subsidiary books. And then third, Following principles, journalizing and posting to ledgers and subsidiary books is significant. That means it is nothing but the way is very significant. And then fourth one is only money transactions are recorded. That means as per definition, see we come to know that only monetary transactions are recorded. And fifth one is and events. And events means that a transaction is on the spot, it may be cash transaction. That means cash is paid. When cash is not paid, it becomes a credit one. That means giving money afterwards. So that is called events. It means it may be credit transaction. And sixth one is financial character means in gambling, say it is a game, money is transferred. Money is transferred, but it has no financial character. So transfer is supported by financial activity. Financial activity. Interpreting the result thereof. See, next sentence is interpreting the result thereof. That means financial statements are prepared. Those are trading account, profit and loss account, and a balance sheet. The hidden values relating to profit and loss account and balance sheet brought into light by the experts of accounting process. So interpreting means it is nothing but one way, it is also analysis. That is what values inside which cannot be understood very easily. So these experts brought to the notice. So that is called interpreting. Interpreting the result thereof, financial statements are prepared. That means at the end of the year, that the financial statements are prepared. Those are trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. So the hidden values relating to profit and loss account and balance sheet brought into light by the experts of accounting process. Then result is communicated to the needed users. So after interpreting that senior accountants communicated to the users. They are internal and external of the trade. So these users are internal and external. Next question is, what is an accounting cycle? What is an accounting cycle? What is accounting cycle? Business transactions are written in the journal. So business transactions are recorded, that means written in journal. Then posted into ledger, then posted. All the ledgers are closed, balanced. Then after transferring, all the ledgers are closed and balanced. All balances of ledgers are transferred to trial balance, no doubt. So all balances transferred to trial balance. From trial balance, prepare trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. This is accounting cycle. So our question is, what is accounting cycle? That accounting cycle is journalizing, posted to ledgers, ledgers are balanced, transferred to trial balance, from trial balance, financial statements are prepared, that is trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. This is accounting cycle.